Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, elegant and a unique style hand embroidery patterns along with the embroidery threads, along with the embroidery thread colors, along with the needle size and frame types and many more other creativities are being shared with you. The design ideas and the collection of today's video is very unique in itself because I'm sharing simple, decent, easy, elegant style design patterns of hand embroidery, and the beauty and creativity makes them much more unique and eye-catchy is that they are vintage style embroidery patterns. So in our today's video, you are going to get different type of stylized patterns like borderline embroidery, like Hera, Chak, Daman embroidery, neckline embroidery along with mirror work, beautiful stylized bohemian style sleeves embroidery along with the pocket embroidery, collar style embroidery, all over floral style embroidery, motif embroidery, side neckline embroidery, simple, sleek, and unique V-neck embroideries, and many more other creativities. So I would recommend you to watch the video till end so that you can get all the amazing, eye-catchy, and mesmerizing design patterns of our today's vintage, decent, elegant style patterns of embroidery. And now I have shared some simple and unique borderline embroideries which could be used as per your choice. You can also customize initial name letters to give to someone or a customized piece for your own choice for yourself. The basic color and the theme for the whole vintage style embroidery patterns is pastel color like white, off-white, cream, beige. These are the different colors being used for the whole embroidery collection because these are the colors they look more attractive, decent, and elegant. Now I'm showing you some beautiful floral patterns which could be equally used as embroidery motifs as well as along more creativities like necklines along with embroidery borders and heavy borderline embroideries that could be designed onto your blouse, sari, onto your necklines, onto some mini floral embroidery borders, along with some easy beginner embroidery stitches for your baby girl dress designing as well could be used. Some formal shirts for summer dresses could also be designed. Some more elegant pastel embroidery motifs could be used for shirts or t-shirt embroidery. So don't forget to like and subscribe.